How to fix Snapchat voice call not working problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat voice call not working problem or Snapchat audio not working problem. So guys, I'm gonna show you some tips. I have 5 tips to show you, so let's get started to the videos. So what you have to do is, first step is, first you have to restart your phone. You have to restart your phone and then reopen your device, and then you can check your Snapchat voice call is working or not. So if the problem doesn't work, then what you have to do is you have to go to your Snapchat and then go to your profile icon and click to settings. So scroll down, and then you can see here clear cache. So just click on clear cache and click on continue, and then you can check your voice call on Snapchat, it is working or not. It will be work for you. So if the problem doesn't work, then go back to your Google Play Store. Go to Google Play Store and then search for Snapchat. And then guys, what you have to do is you have to check whether the Snapchat is asking for an update or not. If they are asking for an update, you have to update it, and you can check your problem for Snapchat is working or not. So if the problem doesn't work, then again what you have to do is you have to go to your Google phone settings. You have to go to your phone settings and then scroll down and go to app management or install app or application manager or anything you have. Go to app management and then search for Snapchat. Here is it. Click on Snapchat, and what you have to do is just click on force stop. You can see here force stop. Just click force stop, and then again you have to click on storage uses. You can see here storage uses. Just click on clear all data here. Just clear it, go back, and now you have to do is just click on permissions, and then you have to allow all the permission here, and then go back, check your Snapchat voice call not working problem. It will be solved. So the last option is, what you have to do is you have to switch off your phone, and then again you have to re-switch in, switch on, and then the problem will be solved. You can check your Snapchat voice call not working problem. I'm sure that the problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.